done breathing yet?
What are you talking about?
I'll make a video of this and I'll put it on YouTube and show you.
Just the way the phone knew.
Okay. I'll make a video of this and I'll put it on YouTube tonight. This is Andrew, the guy I talked to, and he says he don't breathe in the phone, but as you can hear, he does.
How can I when you're on speakerphone? So nice try.
Okie dokie. You'll find out later on.
Yeah.
Yeah. All of a sudden, he quit doing it, see?
Don't know. The way the phone is.
Everything in this truck is recorded.
Yeah, I know that.
You know that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. It's good that you know that.
Mm-hmm.
Don't know what a PDF file is. I think I better tell that lady to figure it out again.
Yep.
Unbelievable. And the file I get, what is it? PDL.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, what the hell is wrong with these people? And it's not even a Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, time for a hard hit.
Yeah, you don't do that when you go to the last one, then you got your 3 done.
Metlers don't look like it needs it. That was still short.